How celebrities are winning big at Baccarat and how you can play smarter. Drake, Dana White, they're not just gambling at Baccarat, they're playing with a system. And now, you can test it too. Most people think Baccarat is pure luck, but that's not how top players approach it. Drake plays with discipline. Dana White presses when streaks go hot. They use structure, timing, and they play smart. You don't need their money to use their methods. In this video, I'll show you the 3 exact strategies you can start testing today, backed by real tools inside a real league-based game. First, bankroll limits. Drake has been known to walk when he hits a target, win or lose. No chasing losses, no emotional bets. That's how you protect profit and avoid tilt. Next is pattern reading. Dana White is rumored to go all in when he sees momentum and pull back fast when it shifts. On Avantage, you get roads, built-in trend boards that show shoe behavior in real time. This is where smart play starts, following trends, not guessing odds. Finally, group play. Celebs often play together, watching trends, sharing reads, and hyping each other up. Avantage simulates this in leagues. Players compete in ranked brackets and track their own climb across leaderboards. It's skill-based, social, and built for smart testing. Here's where most people mess it up. They copy what celebrities do on the surface without the process behind it. No plan, no data, just blind bets. If you want to win like a pro, you need to practice like one. Platforms like Avantage make that possible, with no real money at risk. You don't need a celebrity bank account to play like one. Set a strategy, track the shoe, play ranked. To practice like the pros do, visit Avantage. And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and stay sharp.